Hello everyone, today I'm joined with Neve and...
Hello!
Becky! Today we're doing a drive with me. I'm trying to do one with actual friends.
I got my egg sandwich.
I know you care, shout whenever, and I'll be there.
And we will never, ever, ever.
Like... Standing in the light till it's over, out of our minds.
You need to make size how really good lines you got, how short you guys
I don't even care if I know you. Boom boom boom, let me say well. Say boom boom boom, let everybody say well. Boom boom boom, let me say well. Say boom boom boom, let everybody say well. Say boom boom boom, let me say well. Well, girl, your booty is so round, let me look you up and down.
This is a classic.
This girl has taken its toll on me. She said goodbye.
You ain't got no money, get your broke ass home.
L-A-M-O-R-O-U-S-A.
I can just watch Becky in my rearview mirror.
That's pretty good. Hey, was it?
Was it?
I miss you was good.
Wait, should we go TK Maxx or Mackey's first?
TK Maxx.
Yes, I can see her. Every girl here wanna be her. She's a diva.
My mum said that Next is so busy now that M&S is here.
Yeah.
Like, look at the car park. Like,
I
it
know.
never used to be like. Oh, no, just have a look.
Yeah. I could always reverse into that one now. There's nothing there. Right, there we go. First journey over, let's go into TK Maxx. So we've just arrived at TK Maxx. Okay, nobody turn around.
Can't compare to your neighborhood home.
Why would you do that? Neve, what is your OOTD? In shop
Wait, this
OOTD.
from Topshop, this jumper from Zara. I'm not dressing very nice today because
On the spot.
that's school. Just some River Island jeans and some Vans.
Beautiful.
Makeup tour. Okay, it's not looking very good because I only did it in about like half an hour because Ben was picking me up. But my eyebrows are Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow.
Look, let's see where they're from. I was like,
how do you say it, taupe or taupe? Taupe? Oh my god! Foundation, Estee Lauder, and just got some contour on from Anastasia Beverly Hills.
beautiful.
Takes Velvet Teddy.
Buy this and ask for discount because it's broken. Life hack.
Yeah, again. I didn't want to hit your boobs and hurt them.
Becky, I got that on my vlog. What have we got stuck in this? Make an entertaining vlog.
No, but this is a thing that I hate.
It's my biggest fear, being trapped in it.
You're
trapped!
I can see her.
Why are you looking at baby stuff?
Makes me feel like proper like lightheaded. Don't almost do
You
that.
look like you're crying.
Look at her hood.
Well, no, I'm like, hey, breaking up with you. Just shaking out of that body.
Oh my gosh, man.
Got to thinking, and that's when he said, let's go. A license, hey, wait, what is up? About
You
that.
can't suck on a dick, you can't suck on a faucet.
Day, what can I say? Coming to a club, what can I say? This is more what that
Drive through or normal.
drive through.
Oh, it's a Wednesday. Rapid today is going now, isn't it?
Yeah. Is it quick to go in, do you reckon?
Dunno.
Forbes magazine, smiling next to Oprah and the Queen. Oh, every time I close my eyes.
It's out of my chin.
I was just thinking at that point where he's like,
Snoo! Yeah. Who's ordered the half the menu?
Drop it like it's hot, drop it like it's hot.
I always go to look for where my phone is when it's up there. A wrap of the day and a medium Diet Coke.
Just saying, Ben,
A plain chicken mayo and a medium Diet Coke. Medium chips.
Yeah, medium.
Yeah, medium chips.
And small Coke.
And a small Coke, please.
I know, but I don't know what I want.
That's it.
shout out all my Snapchats. Spiral, Sean Mitchell, Little Lottie.
Look like you're about to like fall off your chair or something. You're not in a car crash, like.
Oh, wait. Look, that actually looks quite nice. And now look.
You laughed at that.
Season's coming up.
I know.
Hello, mate.
5:57. Hang on.
Shake your body, don't stop, don't miss. All you ladies pop your pussy like this.
You're so
Shake your body,
annoying.
don't stop, don't do it, do it, do it, do it now. Lick it good, suck this pussy just like you should.
If the camera would be able to see that, we're actually like playing, and it goes, yeah, my crack.
My bad. My bad.
Look at the pens like this. Thanks, Samantha.
Can I have another straw, please?
Ah.
It fell down the side.
Ben is all gonna come out. Sammy. Thanks, Samantha.
I'm just a person. No, you're gonna burst my intro properly. Leave that's your small ass for coke.
I like little small coat.
Is that what you and Luke sounded like? I'm gonna bet that in. You think I'm joking?
Wait, where's my small coat?
Oh, small coke. Sorry. Thank you.
Oh, can I have a straw, please? Thank you.
Thank you.
Goodbye. I fucking finally got that. Who got chips? No, but there's 2 chips.
What?
Hey?
Oh, we got extra chips.
Yes.
Can we go back for some curry sauce?
No. Interesting content. Shall I start recording for a second? Show them your chip. Did you just choke on my vlog? That is disgusting.
What the fuck is that?
Yeah. Yeah. How many of these have you got cute, Neve?
Oh my god!
Oopsies. That's the thumbnail.
Yeah. Not in that, they're in grounded.
In grounded, okay, let's go. Burgerlicious. Burgerlicious.
Burgerlicious. I'm the F to the E, R, G, the I, the E, and candle.
There we go. All your storage gone bad. Spit just flew out onto it. I made to the beat, walking down the street with the free, yeah. This is how I roll, animal break pants on patrol. Same with a big afro, and like music, I got the dog, got. Girl, look at that body. Girl, look at that body. Girl, look at that body. I work out. Girl, look at that body. I work out when I walk in this spot. This is what I see. Okay, everybody stop and staring at me. I got passion in my pants and I ain't afraid to show it, show it, show it, show it.
I'm sexy. I take the L.
What have you been doing today, Megan?
We've been volunteering. Yeah.
So we have now finished in my car. We're now going into Neve's.
Going to my car to get some petrol.
Going to get some petrol. Look, Neve's got little antlers. It's so cute.
There.
No, here's Neve fueling her car.
I've got to make sure it gets exactly 10 pounds.
I love doing it.
Oh, it's so like, so.
Oh, yes!
Yeah.
Go on! Yeah, at St. Og's.
Woo! We're gonna go look at the Christmas presents. Woo! Not that, you know what I mean? Like they have little Christmas cuteness.
Cuteness. Windy ting.
Like a proper cool vlogs at shopping and now I want to do cool ones.
You just want to vlog when you go shopping. Who's shopping?
Oh yeah, guys, shall I do a haul on Ben's channel? That'd be really cool, wouldn't it?
Do it.
I'll do it one day in December if I buy some nice winter clothes. I'll do a haul. Can I do it on your channel? Yeah.
Yeah, that's cool.
Okay.
We're doing a Primark challenge in January.
Oh yeah.
Because I have my new vlogging camera then.
Yeah. Oh look.
What are you stroking? It's plastic. I'm now home. I forgot to end the vlog, so I'm ending it now. If you enjoyed, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. I'm trying to do more drive me's and other styles of videos on my channel that are fun with friends. Comment down below any video suggestions and make sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell next to it because it will notify you every time I upload. See you next time. Goodbye.